you guys, and welcome back to another video with DIYs by Carolina. I hope you guys are doing well and having an amazing Sunday. So in today's video, this is actually part one of a three-part series for our guest bedroom makeover. And it's a good thing I did that, you guys, because I'm not liking the way it turned out for part one. Let me just be honest. So in part one, I went ahead and painted the walls because previously it was that yellowy color. And I also went ahead and painted the bed and the nightstand. I'm not going to keep the dresser in the mirror. So the issue is, and honestly, I think the same would have probably derived no matter what color I painted it. Then again, maybe it wouldn't have, I don't know. But anyway, I wanted to lighten up the room, so naturally I painted the bed and the nightstand. It was supposed to be a wheat looking color, but it looked white. Okay, it ended up looking white. I don't know why. But the swatch that I chose was actually a wheat color. Anyway, so it's white, okay? And it looks childlike. I am disappointed only because it took me hours and hours to paint it. And I'm just like, I don't want it to look like a teenager's or a child room. I want it to look like an adult room. And the paint color just really just made it look childlike, and I'm just so disappointed. So now I am considering making a big purchase and purchasing a bed. And I'm thinking about actually getting an upholstery bed. So didn't want to purchase anything because remember, this was supposed to be budget friendly, no purchases, just kind of reusing what you have. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. I mean, maybe I'm just over the top with it. Maybe I'm just making too much of it. Maybe after you guys see it, you will have a different opinion. Maybe we can still do something with the space. I'm being hopeful here, you guys. I'm trying to be hopeful. But yeah, tell me what you guys think, because your girl ain't feeling it. But first, let's take a look at what the space looked like before we painted the walls and the bed and the nightstand. So we're gonna go ahead and get started and jump right in today's video. And as you guys can see here, I'm just basically clearing out the space and getting it ready to be painted. So right quickly, I want to show you guys how I'm easily pushing the furniture out of this bedroom. No, I'm not He-Man or anything. I had some help. So I want to show you guys what I'm using to make it so much more easier to push heavy furniture out of a space. So these are furniture sliders that I'm using. I actually purchased mine from Walmart a few years ago, and you can use this on hardwood floors, carpet, it doesn't matter. It makes it so much more easier and convenient to push heavy furniture out of a space, especially if you're doing it by yourself. And the thing that I love the most about this product is that it protects your floors. Y'all, so here's a quick look at what the bedroom space is looking like with the bed on the wall by the window. So it didn't really cover up that much of the window, just a little bit, and that's not too bad. And I always like to keep like a little opening here. So yeah, that's not bad. And what I plan to do, I don't know. I think at some point I may remove that TV altogether and just not have a television in here. But for right now, we're gonna leave it where it's at. But I like it. I feel like it's more space in here now that I've moved the bed on the wall by the window. I really do. Because what I'm thinking is that, so I'm gonna put the nightstand over here in front of the window. And I may put a chair. I was gonna put the chair here, but I feel like that'll be too much on this wall. So just the nightstand, and then I'll probably put like a little, I don't know, I could even see me putting like a chair like a little small chair and a table here maybe. I don't know, because I feel like this does have pretty ample, ample space to do that. But we'll see. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and get started with painting. But first, I want to just kind of use my duster and just kind of run it across the walls a little bit. And y'all, let me just point out one thing. I wanted to do that for this video, but I just knew it would have been too much because I knew I wouldn't been able to get this done in a day or two. And it's going to be one of those projects where it may take me a week. Well, it won't take me a week to do it, but the cleanup is going to be ridiculous. I'm going to scrape the popcorn from the ceiling. I'm going to remove the popcorn. I don't know if y'all can see here. It's like, kind of on the dirty side, or it's discolored or whatever. And that's going to drive me nuts. Now, I could easily paint the ceiling, but I'm not going to do that because that's going to make the popcorn that much more harder to remove. And I am going to remove it. I'm not letting this popcorn stay on the ceiling at all. So that's going to be something I'll probably do in a later video. But in the meantime, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start painting. I'm actually going to dust first, and then I'm going to paint around the bed. I'm not going to remove the bed from the room. I don't need to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and paint around everything and go ahead and get started. So you guys will also notice in this space, I have a little bit of ceiling damage. So basically I had some water leak in my attic and it damaged this particular area here. And so this is another reason why I'm just wanting to remove all the popcorn out of this space, and I'll repair the ceiling damages whenever I do the ceiling project. All right, guys, so while I'm waiting on the paint to dry in the bedroom, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with painting this nightstand. So I am going to keep the nightstand. I figure, hey, why not? I'm not going to keep the dresser in the mirror, however. I am going to go ahead and I'm going to post this soon on the Facebook Marketplace or whatever, and I'm going to go ahead and sell that. So yeah, just going to keep the nightstand. That is it. And the reason I'm going to do that, and let me just kind of show you guys, there's plenty of closet space. Can't talk. But yeah, this is the second coat of the paint. Huge difference, you guys, huge difference. It looks so fantastic. It looks so much more open and just airy. So yeah, here's the closet. Child, this closet got plenty of space. Okay, look at it, how far it goes back. So yeah, I'm not worried about no dresser. The nightstand has drawers on it. So if a guest comes over or whatever, because the thing is, you don't want to have too many drawers and stuff, because then they don't know when to leave. So yeah, look at there. Plenty of storage here, honey. Look how deep these drawers are. Yeah, I don't need no dresser. This is perfect. This is plenty in that little space. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with painting this. Yay, moving along nicely. So y'all can kind of see here that I scuffed up the dresser a little bit before I actually started painting it. And I just ran the sander over it just a little bit, just to kind of get the paint something to bond to. Okay, you guys, so here's a look at the space after I painted all the walls. I painted the bed, I painted the nightstand, and I'm so disappointed. And let me tell you why. Okay, so this is a bed that I bought for my daughter years ago. So this is her bedroom. Me painting the bed and the nightstand white really made it look like a child-like bedroom, in my opinion. What do you guys think? I don't know, I just feel like it really looks childlike now. The paint that I thought I chose was more of a wheat color, but now just looking at the design of the bed, I don't know, y'all, it just seems childlike to me. And oh gosh, I spent so many hours painting this bed and this nightstand. Y'all just don't know. So here's what I'm thinking. You guys tell me what you think. Should we keep it or should we get something else? I'm thinking maybe a full queen upholstered bed is what I'm thinking, and I'll show you guys what I'm thinking about purchasing. Guys, I'm just not really feeling this for a grown-up room. But the paint color on the walls look fantastic. I love how that turned out. It's definitely a lot more lighter and brighter. Got rid of that yellowy tint. Oh, I hated that. So I am loving the paint on the wall. That part I love. It's just the bed and the nightstand. It looks like something for a 5-year-old, or maybe, I don't know. It just, again, y'all know how I am. I'm over dramatic. Y'all give me y'all thoughts. Should I work with what I have, or should I consider getting a new bed and nightstand? Because, yeah, the nightstand is going to have to go as well. So, yeah, I can't wait to hear you guys' thoughts. But in the meantime, yeah, I'm going to probably put in an order for a new bed, and fingers crossed it'll be delivered by Wednesday or Friday at the latest. Anywho, this is part 1. Part 2, hopefully if we decide to get a new bed, I'll be, installing a new bed or whatever. And then also I'll be installing a light fixture, because I'm not going to keep the ceiling fan here. Absolutely not, no. I love the concept of having a ceiling fan in the bedroom, but I don't want it for the space. And again, don't forget, I am at some point, not in this video, but at some point I'm going to redo the ceiling in here. But yeah, guys, so that's where we're at. Have to decide on furniture pieces. I know this was supposed to be a you know, a budget-friendly video or whatever, but I'm gonna try to find a bid that's, you know, a pretty decent price that's just not overly expensive. So yeah, I mean, we're still keeping it budget-friendly, but yeah, that's where we're at, you guys. That's where we're at. All right, so chat it up, y'all. Tell me what you think. What are your thoughts? What we need to do? Let's do this. All right, you guys, so that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed the content. If you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and share it with your family and your friends. And also, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be alerted when I post my next video. And for those of you who are new and visiting for the first time, welcome. My name is Carolina, and if this is the type of content that you find interesting, I would love to have you join my family of subscribers. And as always, to my new and existing subscribers, you guys know you are always welcome back. So I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye now.